Hey guys, Mitch here with South Fort Chevrolet. I'm going to be bringing you guys a What's Up Wednesday, something a little bit different. We're not really going to be talking about cars so much as we're going to be talking about the myChevrolet app. A lot of people have a lot of questions about that, and I want to go through exactly what it can do for you, some of the free features, the paid features, and why you really need it, okay? If you want to get close here there, Ryan. Perfect. So this is what the myChevrolet app is going to look like just on your home screen here. I'm going to go through a couple of the features I think are really neat. So right here, this is going to be a remote command. So what this means, you can start your vehicle if it's equipped, lock it, horns and lights. Nice thing is, let's say you come back from vacation, you want to get in a warm vehicle. As long as you've got cell service and so does your car, you start it and make it warm. Don't have to get into a cold vehicle like everyone else. Going to vehicle status is going to show you the basics of your vehicle, fuel range, oil life, just the basics, how many kilometers and tire pressure. Looking forward here, this one's really neat here. So obviously being in demo mode, it's not going to give me a vehicle, but if you have your VIN set and you have it connected as one of the paid services, say you're in the West Edmonton Mall and you forget which door you came in, open up your app, it'll let you know, and you can actually find the closest door to get your vehicle the quickest way. Definitely a neat feature. Now moving down here, the preferred dealership. I'm going to hope that everyone watching this video has got it already set to South Fort Chevrolet. But if you set that to South Fort Chevrolet, we're set up on our end that if you need an oil change, if you need a service, if you have a recall, anything like that, we're actually going to give you a call to book that in. So you don't have to worry about your maintenance scheduling anymore. We're going to do it for you. Now going into vehicle servicing here, you can book a service appointment if it's off schedule, anything like that. And it'll actually let you know when you have recalls as well. So you don't come into the dealership and find out that you got an extra 2 hours you need to leave your vehicle because we have a mandatory safety recall. You can actually book it around your clock. One last thing that I really want to go over here is the how things work and the owner's manual. So the nice thing is the how things work is going to show you how all the actual features of your vehicle work with a video. Each vehicle is going to be specific to the VIN of the car, so you're not looking at things that your car doesn't have. And then as well with the actual manual, you actually have a search function. So you can actually, guess we got to download this one. So with this, I'll download it and I'll show you guys. But with this, you can actually search up oil changes, oil life, anything like that. It'll tell you the interval, it'll tell you everything you need to know. And that's just up in here. And it'll basically take you straight to the page so you're not surfing anymore. The last thing here, it's not on here, but as long as you have your email set up and everything like that, let's say you leave your truck unparked and it's super cold outside. Knock on wood that it's not going to happen this May, like it always does. But let's say your vehicle gets cold, you forget to plug it in. It's actually going to text you. It's a battery from the future. It's going to let you know that it's not going to start the next morning. You should probably plug it in. It's better to get to work than to find out the next morning you can't get to work, right? So that's going to be the What's Up Wednesday today. There's a ton more options. The app is free. You can connect it with a brand new vehicle. You're going to get 10 years of auto diagnostics. Which is part of that battery portion I talked about. That's free with our whole lineup. So if you have any questions, give us a call, give us an email, Facebook. You know where to find us in Fort Saskatchewan here. Thanks, guys.